follow through by Shoaib Akhtar. Had a few words to say. Dhoni normally wants to go under those deliveries. Now, because of the bounce not being as anticipated, finally he had to take evasive action and withdraw. Take a look at Shoaib Akhtar. They're all converging in on Dhoni.
And a follow through.
Really? Well, the Pakistanis know that they're in with a great opportunity here.
He is an attacking batsman, Dhoni. The only way he can play is go after the bowling. Can be a touch risky.
The mark not very convincing though, but that's the way he plays. The top edge, I'm not so sure whether he meant to play. But whatever it was, it came off all right. Took the outside edge, that's for sure.
In a bit of trouble is a polite comment. The ultra motion again. Shoaib Akhtar gives more than 100%. Shoaib was interested, not anybody else. Overcome.
Well, there's a fair bit of that going as well. That's a fabulous shot. God, shot. I didn't think he got most of that, but he did.
Had enough of it, Dhoni. So take you on. Had enough of ducking and moving around. Beautiful shot. Right from the meat of the bat, and that has gone far.
Look at the way he finishes up, the way he turns his body and hits his helmet on the way through there too, if you saw that. Watch the way he pivots and turns around. Watch the follow through and hits the helmet there. Fabulous six. Two back now for the hook. And he works around the corner, no ball. Looking for two as well. But Sachin doesn't want any part of that. Let me take him, he says. He goes for it. I like the way he plays. Just let him go about his natural game. That's what you've got to do.
Delivery.
In the air and over top of point. It was in the air for a long time. He backs himself. That's what I like about this kid. Another boundary.
Positive Dhoni there. Bit of room there. That's the third time he looked to play that shot. It's the first time he got success on that. And then once went over the slips fielder, and that one was hit nicely over that point fielder.
Well, the point for me is that you...
There goes the hook shot again. Well in front of square on this occasion. Safe.
Well, that's the way to go. He likes to play his shots, Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Here he goes again. This time it's gone very fine.
But he's scoring in boundaries. On the shorter side, Dhoni is not even coming on the front foot. He's waiting and waiting. Important runs for India and Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Found the gap. That will go all the way. I think on a slightly more lush out field you'd have had that Razak diving. It's 306 for 5. Well. That looked so easy.
He's a fantastic striker of the cricket ball.
Here's the hook shot again. Gone very fine. 4 runs. We won 8 for 5.